Hello, everyone. It's Donna, and I've been playing around with what'll probably be a freebie font and stuff that I'm going to be doing. Anyway, I'm just in Embird in the digitizing tools or in Embird Studio and playing around with Font Engine. And one thing for doing this fairly quickly so I don't have to do this frame every single time, I can go up here to edit, and I will skip over and change the letter that was there to the next letter, but I'm going to hit more controls, and these particular letters are going to be 34.3 millimeters tall. I can say apply it, and you'll see that the color is the blue. That's the default. Anyway, so the color in the color catalog, instead of having to search a lot, I know the color, so I'll just paste it in there. Then I make sure I select this and do my generate stitches, and then I can move it where I want to. All the letters are going to be the same size. I will save it as a S. I'll do it again, change the S to a T, more controls, 34.3. Change the color. And it really goes pretty quick when you do this. Oops, I didn't check the. Let me edit this again. 34.3. Generate my stitches. Get this kind of where I want it. Color. Paste it in. And save the file. Whoops. I've got to go back and do my U now because I just saved it as a T. So let me go back and do my T. Yes, I want to replace it. Anyway, this is just a quick little short video on how to work with some of your true type fonts in Studio, how you can manipulate them a little bit while you're actually working. So that's it for today, and we will see you later. Bye.